Hey guys, we're Rebecca
and Jessie
with Modern Vintage Events.
And this is Planning and Prosecco.
Hand lettering is super in right now, and for good reason. It looks gorgeous and can really add a sleek, put together look to your day.
You can do hand lettering anywhere you need to have something written. Have someone hand address your invitations for you or write out menu boards, reserve signs, really any kind of signage. You can even have someone hand letter something for you and then scan it so you can use it on things later, like the actual invitation.
So, should you just hand letter everything yourself? Do you have gorgeous handwriting? Then yes. But if your handwriting looks like ours, you might want to have someone do it for you.
Just for fun, let's look at what Becca's handwriting looks like versus our assistant Jordan, who actually does this as a paying gig. Okay, hold them up, guys. Big difference, right? This is an actual art form, guys.
Ask around to see if you can find someone who does this. You might have a friend who can, but if not, asking your stationery designer can be a great start. People who hand letter things love words, and words love paper. So oftentimes, these people know each other so well they can cross-reference each other to their clients.
There can be a huge price range for hand lettering. Also, each artist's style is different, so do your homework when looking for someone to do this for you. Make sure that you love their style and that their price fits your budget. Also, make sure logistically that they can come and do the artwork on site or find out if they can get the materials ahead of time.
Some artists own a lot of pieces, chalkboards, acrylic, mirrors, etc., that they can rent out to you. Otherwise, you might need to source these pieces from a rental company. Then let them do their thing. They'll definitely want direction, but also give them a bit of artistic license to play with the design and make it something truly unique. If this was helpful, please like it and share it with your friends.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking here for more wedding planning tips.
You can also read more on our blog at modernvintageevents.com.
Join us again soon for the next installment of Planning and Prosecco. Until then, happy
planning!